called buggy abuse, man. Looks is still alive to me. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings. Alishan now here. This is RCModelz Stealth 01, 29cc gasoline engine, 150 scale entry level buggy. And I'm in a mood of giving it some good abuse. Let's see if it will survive or not. Comment and tell me how long it will survive. Oh, I heard a hit, a nice hit on the front. Looks is still alive to me. Oh, almost broke my leg. Whoa, where are you going? That's called buggy abuse, man. That is one bad hit, man. Look at that. Right here on the stone. Oh, man. Oh, hurts, man. You know what? Let's fly it. Man, you saw that. You saw that this thing is still alive. Still alive, man. This is what you want. After this much abuse, this thing is still alive and kicking, man. Lots of abuse today, man. Look at that undercarriage. Everything is actually intact. Now, buggy runs just fine, but if the engine is not running, I hear this. A bit of gear noise, but gear is just fine. I tell you what, start it, bash it until the gears are completely gone, and then I will show you how to replace the main gears. RCModelz Rovan Stealth 01 150 scale 29cc gasoline engine buggy. This is the best value for your hard-earned money, people. Trust me.
Crash, rebuild, bounce back, that's what I do. Crash, rebuild, bounce back quick. We in the dirty south, ain't no one slick.